top 5 full-body workouts for all fitness levels.
Discover the most effective full-body workouts that suit both beginners and seasoned athletes. These routines combine strength, cardio, and flexibility to engage every major muscle group. Whether you're new to exercise or looking to upgrade your fitness plan, there's something here for everyone. Let's explore which 5 routines can help you achieve whole-body strength and improved overall fitness.
1. Circuit training.
Circuit training alternates between exercises targeting different muscle groups, with little rest in between. Common circuits include squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks. This format keeps your heart rate elevated, maximizing calorie burn and endurance. It's easily adaptable for all levels. Just adjust weights, repetitions, or rest time as needed. Circuit training is efficient, can be done anywhere, and works the entire body in one session.
2. Bodyweight HIIT.
The high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, uses short bursts of intense exercises like jumping jacks, burpees, and mountain climbers, followed by brief recovery periods. Bodyweight HIIT routines require no equipment and can be modified for beginners or advanced users. These workouts boost cardiovascular fitness, burn fat, and build muscle, making them a popular choice for time-crunched exercisers seeking maximum results in minimal time.
3. Strength and resistance training.
Strength and resistance training routines use free weights, resistance bands, or machines to target multiple muscle groups. Moves like deadlifts, bench presses, and rows create a balanced workout that increases muscle tone and metabolism. Beginners might start with lighter weights and basic exercises, while experienced users can progress to more complex lifts. Regular resistance training supports bone health and overall body strength.
4. Yoga flows.
Yoga flows blend strength, flexibility, and balance through sequences like sun salutations and warrior poses. These routines engage core, legs, arms, and back, promoting functional fitness and improved mobility. Accessible to all skill levels, yoga can be gentle or challenging, depending on the poses and pace. Beyond physical benefits, yoga also supports stress reduction and overall well-being, making it an excellent full-body routine.
5. Swimming.
Swimming provides a low-impact full-body workout, suitable for all ages and fitness levels. Each stroke works the arms, legs, core, and back, while water resistance builds strength and endurance. It's ideal for those with joint concerns or recovering from injuries. Swimming can be as easy or intense as you prefer. Whether you're doing casual laps or structured intervals, you'll get a balanced, effective workout.
Choosing the best routine for you.
Choosing the right full-body workout depends on your goals, preferences, and fitness level. Try mixing different routines to keep things interesting and target your body in new ways. Listen to your body and gradually increase intensity as you progress. No matter your starting point, these 5 full-body workouts offer a solid foundation for lasting fitness and health.